Let's study 10th standard ICSE English Literature poem 8, The Patriot by Robert Browning. This poem is about hero worship, the rise and fall of a hero. And also it explains how fickle-minded the public is. The narrator, that is the patriot, narrates how 1 year ago he was received with pomp and celebration in the town, and in the present, the people called him a traitor. The very same people who were willing to worship him, to get the sun for him, who threw roses at him when he arrived in the town. They were now, in the present, after 1 year, throwing stones at him. Now, why was he worshipped in the beginning is unknown. Perhaps he had achieved something great or conquered something. The people wanted to celebrate this occasion, and so they rang the church bells, decorated the church spires. Everybody wanted a glimpse of their favorite hero, so they crowded on the rooftops, and it was so crowded that the houses seemed to sway. But the same hero had now fallen in their eyes. Now, after 1 year of misdeeds, the streets were empty. His forehead was bleeding because people had thrown stones at him. His hands were tied so tightly that his wrists were cut. Now, what were the misdeeds that he do is not narrated in the poem. But the narrator admits that he might have crossed a line. But he also claims that his intentions were good. He only did whatever he did for the welfare of the people. But the people misunderstood him. And now they were thirsty for his blood. Instead of crowding on the rooftops, now they were crowding at the shambles gates, near the scaffold where he would be hanged for his misdeeds. The rooftops were now only occupied by people who were suffering from palsy, that is paralysis. So we see a drastic change in people's opinion of him. But in the end, the patriot states that he doesn't regret anything and he has full faith in God. He knows that even if the people won't forgive him, God will, knowing that his heart is pure and his intentions were true. So he feels safe.
Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.